everyone, I just received this new tactical flashlight. I'm excited to open up the box, give it a try, and test out some of the great features that it has. It's supposed to be a super powerful flashlight, has up to 1200 lumen LED lights, so it's going to give you 656 feet of lighting range. So it's really, really far. It's going to help you see perfectly clear in the dark. It has all these little features you can see on the side, like 50,000 hours of lighting power. It can work in extreme temperatures. You don't have to worry about water because it's completely water resistant. It has a rubber water ring that's going to make sure that it stays nice and working great for you. It also has a non-slip handle. Comes with a mount circle. Just a lot of different features. So let me just open the box and show you everything that's inside. So here is the manual right when we open it up. Just shows you a little bit about how to use the batteries. It does come with a lithium battery, how to operate it, how to turn it on and off, how to mount it to your rail. It has a rail mount right there that will hold it on tightly. It has a low profile rail mount, so it's really not going to get in your way. It's also pretty light, even though it's completely shock resistant. So you can drop it and it will be totally fine. You can set it up all different ways, the forward, backward, no offset, however you'd like to install it. It comes with all the tools you need to get it set up and ready to use. So all your information is right there. So here is the first thing we're going to open up inside this box is, all right, so this looks like it is the rail mount. So the rail mount comes with all the hardware that you need. You can see all the screws in there, the Allen wrench in there, and this is the part that's going to hold the flashlight, and this is where you are going to mount it right here. So everything you need is right inside this little box. The next thing we see is the battery charger. So it does come with a battery charger. That's great because it's a rechargeable battery. You can charge it and reuse it again and again and again. And it is going to really last you. When the batteries are fully charged, it will put out about 1300 lumen LED lights. So it's even brighter. So these rechargeable batteries, you can always have one inside the flashlight and one on hand totally charged, and you'll always be able to get that super bright light power that you need. Here is another piece of the mounting right here. All right, so we'll have to take a look at the manual to see exactly how to use this one, but I'm sure that we will use that. And next thing we find is a charger cord. So this is just a simple USB charger. It also comes with a nice Velcro strap that you can use. And here is the flashlight itself. So it comes with a nice wristband as well, so you don't need to necessarily mount it. You can just use it as a regular flashlight on your wrist if you wanted to, and have it on all the time. It does have a turn knob right here. You can twist this off to kind of adjust the light, change the settings, and on the back is the button to push it on and off. So just a simple on-off click, and this is where the batteries are going to go in. So I'm going to go ahead and put in the rechargeable battery and turn on the light and give it a try. So the batteries were not charged when I first opened it up, so I'm going to charge the battery. All you need to do is pop it into that charger, grab a block and plug it into the USB cord, and then once it's fully charged and blue, then it's ready to go. So I'll go ahead and charge it and then turn on the light, just so you know you do need to charge the battery before using it. All right, so once the battery is charged and I put them inside, it's just a simple push button, and the light is very, very bright, as you can see. It's just on and off, just one button, so you can connect it and easily turn it on and off anytime you'd like. The battery took maybe 20 minutes to an hour to fully charge, and it was ready to go, and you do have that backup battery you can use anytime. So I would definitely give this flashlight a try and see how you like it. It's nice and compact, and it comes with all the accessories that you need. So I hope you guys found this helpful, and definitely give it a try. Thanks.
Are you ready for Prime Day? It's the perfect time to stock up on all that Feyachi equipment you have been wanting. This year's Prime Day is on July 12th through the 13th, and you can save up to 35% on select Feyachi items. Grab a full camo face mask for just $7.99, or pick up a new red dot magnifier for only $79.99. Don't let these deals pass you by. Go online on July 12th and 13th and shop Prime Day early. You'll be glad you did.